My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick and simple eyeshadow tutorial of this gold look right here. I basically just wanted to play around with some new makeup that I got from my subscription boxes. So if you would like to see how to get this super easy like gold brown smoky eye, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going in with a Morphe E27 and a ColourPop eyeshadow in Lay Low, and I'm going to be using this as my transition shade and just putting it in my crease. And I look down and try to make my eye space as wide as I can. Now I'm taking Paper Tiger by ColourPop, using the same brush and just kind of putting that in the same place where I put Lay Low. I just wanted to add a little bit of like yellowish brown to it and blend that out. And now I'm going to go in with a Morphe M562 in this PUR Festival palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. And I'm going to go in with that like tan shade called Epic and this small little blender, and I'm just going to put that like very tightly in my crease. I'm going to put it lower than the first two shades, and then I'm going to go in with the E27 and blend that out. So now I'm going in with a JH6 and Hidden Desert from the PUR palette, and I'm going to be putting that on the outer third of my eye. I kind of pat it and then I like slowly bring it into the crease, and then I turn the brush on the side and kind of blend it out doing that. I'm going to go back in with some more of that brown shade, just kind of intensify it, and then I'm going to go in with my E27 and blend out the edges, adding just a little bit more. These are pressed pigments, so that brown was a little hard to blend out, but not bad at all. Just blending the edges out some more. And now I'm going to go in with this NATASHA DENONA shadow that I got in my Allure beauty box. So I'm going in with my NYX glitter glue, but on the eye that I already put the NATASHA DENONA shade on, I didn't use glitter glue, and look at how much of a difference it makes when you use glitter glue. I was honestly just being lazy and forgot, and then I was like, no, I know this shade can be more intense than that, so let me go in with some glitter glue. And yeah, like look at the difference. It's bizarre. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that shade all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with this Luxie brush and that dark brown called All Night, and I'm gonna put that in the outer third, kind of make a V shape and blend it out with that lid shade. This brush wasn't really working for what I wanted to do, so I ended up going in with a Sephora like Pro Detail pencil brush, and then I blend it out with the Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm just going in with every brush I have, trying to get it to blend the way I want. You gotta do what you gotta do. And then I'm just gonna lay some more color. Like I said, they are pressed pigments, so it can be a little difficult to blend out. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Fix Plus, wet my brush with that, and then I'm gonna go back into the NATASHA DENONA shadow and just kind of clean up the lid area. It's such a beautiful gold shade. So now I'm going to go in with this NARS Larger Than Life eye pencil, and I'm going to line my upper waterline, and I'm also going to put a thin band on my lash line. This doesn't have to be precise because we are going to be going over it with shadow. I just want to create some definition, so I'm just doing a very small layer. And then I'm going to go in with that brown all night in an angled brush and just kind of press that into my lash line and right over top where we put that eyeliner. And because it is a pressed pigment, it worked very, very well as an eyeliner. A lot better than like just a regular eyeshadow. So just FYI. Now I'm going to go in with this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Marigold, and I'm going to line my lower waterline with that. It's a very beautiful, like copper, sparkly copper. And then I'm going to go back in with that like mahogany brown and put that in my lower lash line. And I'm also going to go in with that dark brown all night and just kind of put that in the outer third of the lower lash line. I'm not going to go all the way in with it. So to highlight the brow bone, first I went in with like the gold from my ColourPop highlighting palette, but I wasn't feeling that, so I ended up going in with that middle shade, like that kind of pearly white. And now I'm going in with some Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara, and then I'm gonna finish my makeup and throw some lashes on, and we are done. Okay, so here is the completed look. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful like gold smoky, brown smoky eye, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.